How do staff perceive your organizational culture? Is it perceived to be one of discipline and punishment, or one of learning and growth? If staff are afraid to bring issues forward due to fear of blame, punishment, or reprimand, you may never know this. We need to take the next steps to change our healthcare cultures to be just cultures, a psychologically safe, values-based culture of shared accountability where the organization is accountable for the systems we've designed and for promoting a culture of learning and reporting to enhance patient safety and quality. And the employees are accountable for reporting errors, learning, and coming up with ideas for improvement. Research by Amy Edmondson demonstrates that psychological safety is key for reporting. And we have discovered that the coaching approach to leadership is foundational for psychological safety. Join us for the Coaching Skills for Quality and Patient Safety virtual workshop, where you will learn the mindsets and skills required to take the coaching approach so that you can be part of transforming your organization's culture towards a just culture of accountability, learning, reflection, improvement, innovation, growth, and development. And you can have some fun in a creative learning environment along the way. You can also meet others across Canada who are passionate about enhancing patient safety. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop.